What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a moissanite unboxing for you guys, and this is actually a $20,000 reselling haul, but we did not pay $20,000 obviously, but between all of the pieces inside of these boxes, we should be able to resell it for over $20,000. So let's get right into the video. So obviously we got three different packages right here. I believe this one is the stud earrings, this one is halo earrings, and then the vendor did ship the boxes separately just because of the size of this package, and also they didn't want the boxes to come damaged just because of the weight of everything, which W vendor for that. But let's go ahead and get this in. And these guys did pretty securely package this stuff up. So when you order, none of the things are going to come in broken. Obviously, moissanite, it's made out of like silver and metal. So it's not really having a high chance of breaking. Like it's not made of glass or anything. But still, being on the safe side, they did package it up nice and tight. Let's see if I can get this open. There we go. Taking a look. As you guys can see, we got GRA certificates on top. And we got the moissanite right in there, as well as some more right in there. Nice and packaged. I don't think there's anything below there. Yeah, just some bubble wrap. So let's take a gander at these guys real quick. We'll go ahead and show you. Obviously, we got, these are the 0.5 carat stud earrings. We got all of the GRA certificates. It's actually a lot of them. And then in here, we have all of the different earrings. So as you guys can see, we just have a ton of, these are all individually packaged right here. So we'll go ahead and get the rest of these unboxed, and I'll catch you guys in a second. All right, guys, so we got the 0.5 carat and the 1 carat stud rings, or stud earrings, my bad, laid out right here. So let's go ahead and break into the halo, I think these are, I believe. And again, if you guys do want a free moissanite supplier, just make sure to check in the bio of this video down below. I'll leave a link to the supplier, or a free supplier down there for you guys to use if you want to get started reselling just like us. But go ahead and opening this. As you guys can see, we got, these are the 0.5 carat halos. And these are all silver, by the way. Just in my experience, I've noticed that silver does sell better. We do have some gold left over in stock, so we got silver supplying right here. And go ahead and get these open. But I have noticed that the silver does sell better than the halo. But as you guys can see, just get a little close up at the moissanite halo right there. These are the 0.5 carat, and then the 1 carat right here as well. That out of the way. Let's get you guys a little close up on these ones. So as you guys can see, a decent size bigger than the 0.5 carat, my bad. But yeah, a lot of restock right here to get sorted. We also got the boxes to get opened right there. And again, they did ship those separately just to save weight and also not damage anything, because you don't want anything to be broken. So we'll get the rest of this stuff unboxed for you guys, and we'll catch you in a second. All right, and now we got the boxes right here for the moissanite jewelry themselves. And the vendor did downsize on their boxes for these, just because it's a lot cheaper for them to ship out, and also it's a lot cheaper for you guys to buy. So we got a ton of boxes in here. I'll just show you guys one real quick. Got a little bow on the front. And then got obviously the slit for the either ring, earring, whatever you want to put in there. But yeah. And also, just to give you guys a little game right here, if you do want something a little bit nicer, what I recommend is going on like Amazon. They have a lot of different options like these right here. So this one is actually a plastic, and this one is actually like a leather type material on here. But these are a lot nicer, velvet lined interior. And if you want something that's going to look like better in listing photos, that's going to look more attractive to your customers, and it's going to like have a little more appeal on it, I would recommend going on Amazon and buying these. You can get them for like, I think as little as like $3 or $4 a box, maybe even cheaper than that, just depending on if you want plastic, if you want leather, if you want all velvet, and they all come like velvet lined interiors. So these are actually a lot nicer, and they actually do help with the selling a little bit, and that's why we have some different examples for you guys. So if that is an option or in the budget for you guys, I would recommend looking at some different box options just to like kind of boost your listings and help with those sales. All right, guys, and now you already know what's happening. We got the diamond tester test right here. One of the most important parts for the moissanite is to pass the diamond tester, obviously. So we're going to be diamond testing both the stud and the halo. So we got the stud earrings right here, and then we're just going to be doing the 1 carats for each. Obviously, if the 1 carats pass, the 0.5 carats will pass, but it's just easier to do it. So we got the 1 carats right here. We'll go ahead and get these diamond tested for you guys. As you guys can see, passes no problem. And then we'll go ahead and get the halos right here diamond tested as well. Get these out of the bag real quick. Just want to zoom in with me right here. We got the halo. And you guys already know, of course, they passed on the diamond tester. So again, super good quality on these. Also, we can go over the GRA certificates. I can show you guys what these look like as well. Go ahead and get one of these. Obviously, it's going to be pretty much the same thing for all of the different variants. Obviously, up here, it's just going to tell you what carat size it is. That's only really the difference it's going to be. Go ahead and get these open right here. Try and do it backwards for you guys here. So we got the GRA, and then, of course, we got the card that comes inside that shows the ID number at the bottom and the scannable barcode right there. And then on the back, it has a little explanation on what GRA is, like what it means and all of that stuff. And then the card itself, we got the diamond report. We got, again, what is GRA on the back, just some more little paragraphs back there. And then this is what really matters inside, the actual substance to the card. Let me look right here. It should say excellent, yep. Excellent cut, polish, and symmetry. That's what you're looking for. So this is VVS1 quality moissanite right here. Has a little breakdown of the actual moissanite stone itself. And then just some more, I guess, grading samples right there. You can see. Yeah, so obviously ours is going to be that top one right there. The VVS1, the highest quality you can actually get for moissanite and actual diamonds. But this is moissanite. So again, super good quality, super good stuff. And now we're going to actually go in to show you guys how to list these on actually probably like Facebook Marketplace, which is the most common app to sell these on, and kind of get the best photos and the best listings to give you guys the best chance at selling these. All right, so now we're going to show you guys how to take some listing photos and whatnot. So obviously, when you're taking listing photos, you need, one of the most important parts is a good lighting. So we got the nice window right here with the sun pointing inwards. That's a very, very high and a good thing. So if you guys don't have like a ring light or like a professional lighting, natural sunlight is the best thing you can use. So make sure you have somewhere where there's good natural sunlight. And then obviously a clean background is the second important thing. So we have a nice wooden, nice wood table right here, which is a good background, but also like a desk over there, like a straight black background is a good thing, or straight white, like a solid white or black, or like a brown desk like that. Very good choices. Also, we have some props on here. This kind of just helps it make it look like more of like a homey type vibe, and like kind of gives it like more of an aesthetic to the picture. So also be careful. There are some shadows that are coming across on the table. So make sure when you're doing this, I'm actually going to move these over here and kind of get the picture right here. And if the shadows and the sun is coming this way, make sure you have everything pointed away from it. Because when you're taking that picture, you don't want the shadows to be blocking the sunlight itself. So make sure you have it all set up nice and neat. But yeah, we just got a little knick-knack drawer thing and a little lamp right here. You can put pictures, you can put little knickknacks on there, just whatever you have laying around your house. So yeah, that's a great way to start out. And then we're going to get and showing you guys how to actually list these. So right here, we got these stud earrings. We're going to be showing you guys how to list these ones. But obviously, you're going to want to take them out of the plastic just to make it more presentable. And as I was saying earlier, again, if you guys want to get those higher, nicer quality velvet or plastic or even leather lined boxes, that's going to help you out a lot. But these are just the ones that comes with the product itself. So we'll just show you how to do it with these just to keep it fair for you guys. But obviously, we got the box, and we're just going to stick it inside of the slit inside of the box right there just to start out with. So we got these, and you want to make sure that they're somewhat even and lined up and looking nice. You don't want them to look like janky and all sideways. You want to make sure they look nice and neat. And I'll try to get a little, if you guys can see the shine coming off that already. So that's what you're going to try to be capture in these photos, is that shine and that, you know, flash of the diamonds. That's the appeal with moissanite, is it shines like crazy. It has a crazy amount of reflection coming off the stone. So that's what you're really trying to capture in these pictures, and that's why the natural sunlight is so important for you guys. But yeah, we're going to get these set up right here. We're going to go ahead and get our first photo taken right here. And when you're taking photos, again, you got your phone. Make sure you're wiping off your camera lens. This is just going to give you the best quality picture. Again, you don't want fingerprints and dust and whatever on your camera when you're taking pictures, obviously. So we're going to go ahead and come in here. Make sure nothing else is in your background. We're going to put, see, I like to do a little stance on the box. Makes it look nice and neat. We're going to come in, get our first photo right here. We can get a few little angles of this, again, maybe a sideways angle as well. And then if you guys want as well, put that box, the bottom of the box right on the bottom. It'll fit there nice and neat. And you got to get a little holding picture and kind of hold it where the light is going to reflect the most off those stones. And get another picture with the nice sun shining on those. And then another thing is, a diamond tester is another very key piece in this. These help a lot with your listings. They help a lot boosting them and kind of just getting people's attention on them. Because when they see these passing the diamond tester, they're like, okay, these are actually legit. They're actually good quality moissanite. It's not just, you know, some costume jewelry or anything like that. So again, I can't really do this with two hands. So you can either get someone to help you with this, or you can kind of lay it down and then just do it one-handed. But again, if you guys have someone to maybe help you out with this, I'd recommend maybe doing it with 2 hands like that and getting someone to take the picture for you. But again, we're just going to do this like how we do it. We're going to get it right on the diamond. You get a nice picture of that. And when you guys are taking pictures with the diamond tester, the sunlight actually kind of reflects a lot off that bar thing that actually reads the moissanite. So what you're going to want to do is maybe just close a curtain or a blind and kind of give yourself a little less light. So then you can come in here and then actually get your nice photo taken. Took a few there extra, but... And then as you guys can see, like, passes on the actually shows up on the camera right there, so it's a lot easier to get it. So you're just going to want a little less sunlight for that part, but for the rest of the pictures, you're going to want to make sure there is good natural sunlight, so it's reflecting off that moissanite. And then to end it off, you guys can either do this at the start or the end, but we're going to get a video of the moissanite, which is just going to help it catch that reflection even better. So when you come on here, when you guys go to your video, if you have an iPhone, make sure you're clicking 4K 60, which is going to give you the best quality video, obviously. Make sure that camera is nice and cleaned off. And this is just going to be like a few second, like a 3, 4, 5 second video. Which is, again, just going to help capture the reflection off that moissanite, make it look even better, even shinier, even more appealing for your listing photos. So now we're going to go out and actually show you guys how to list these on apps like Facebook Marketplace and how to get the most appealing listings. All right, and now we're going to be showing you guys how to make a listing on Facebook Marketplace. Obviously, you can take this format and take it for other apps like eBay or OfferUp or Mercari or Nextdoor app, wherever you're selling at. So again, we're just going to make a listing, one item, obviously. We're going to add that video that we very first took. Go ahead and get that added. It's going to say process for a second, and then should be adding here in just a second. And then we're going to go ahead and add the photos. Make sure you leave the video checkmarked as the #1 thing so it stays as the first thing. And then the rest that you check them off, the boxes, as you check them off, they're going to go in order from which one you click first to the last and how they show up on the actual listing itself. So make sure you have those in the right order. And we only took around 4 photos for this. Obviously, I would say around 6 to 8 is optimal. But for the time's sake of this video, we're just going to do that. And then for the title, we have VVS1 moissanite. I'll spell it right. Moissanite stud earrings. And then we're going to capitalize the first letter of each word just to make it look the most appealing. And then the price, we're going to start out at $200. Obviously, you can always go lower or higher, but $200 is the best for me. And then we're going to do condition is new, obviously. And then for description, as you guys can see, I have a little note section right here. But we're going to go ahead and copy and paste that into here. But yeah, we'll just go over the description real quick. It's a lot, so just add it 1 second. So 1 carat VVS1 stud earrings. Obviously, it's what they are. It's the carat size, nice, clean, and simple. Brilliant 1 carat VVS moissanite studs with exceptional sparkle and clarity. Just kind of going over what they are. Just some attributes of the actual earrings themselves. Virtually flawless, expertly cut and made to shine brighter than diamonds. Obviously, you know, most of you actually may not know, moissanite does shine brighter than diamonds. And also, when we showed you that GRA certificate earlier, when it had this exceptional cut, polish, and symmetry, that's where you can kind of use those attributes for the description, make it more appealing. And then brand new, never worn, in perfect condition, obviously. And then obviously, as you guys know, some of you may not know, you can actually ship and meet locally on Facebook Marketplace. So you're going to want to offer both of those just to give the best chances of a sale. So obviously I can meet locally and then ship same day for fast delivery. Obviously you want to be shipping these out as fast as possible to the customers just to give the best experience, the best reviews, obviously just the best overall experience for your customer. And then a timeless, elegant piece, perfect for everyday wear or a stunning gift. Give them a few different options. Obviously the customer can wear them or give them as a gift. Just kind of leave them with a final little summary right there. We're going to do a little space right there between those two. All right, and then we're just going to come down here. And obviously you guys can see, I'm not going to click this myself, but you can do list in more places. I highly, highly, highly recommend you guys do this. You can list them in buy and sell groups, in trading groups, in, you know, mom and pop groups, and all these different groups for your local area or even areas a little bit outside where you locally live to reach more and more people. And you can do up to 20 different places you can list in. So I recommend joining the 20 that are the most effective in your area or the ones that make the most sense for you guys in your area. And then once you have all of those selected that you want to list them in, you're just going to simply hit the publish button. And just like that, we've made our very first listing for our product. And obviously you take that strategy and that format and you apply it to all the other marketplaces, not just Facebook Marketplace. And you guys can also take different pictures and make different Facebook accounts and list them on multiple different accounts just to give you the best success and the best chance of selling these. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this video wrapped up. All right, and that's going to do it for the end of this video. If you guys are still watching, I would take this as a sign to start investing in yourself, in your guys' future. If you do want to start reselling with a free moissanite supplier, we'll leave one down in the link below in the description for any of you who want to start reselling just like us. And again, if you did find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below of any videos you want to see in the future, and I'll catch you in the next one.